Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you many solutions to fix Wi-Fi not working in MSI motherboard or any kind of motherboards that have built-in Wi-Fi support. You can see a lot of tutorials videos that show you a lot of useless solutions like using Windows troubleshooter or update driver automatically or some kind like that. In this video, a real solution that I use by my own. I will show you very quick. Hope you watch to the end of the videos. Okay, this is the most important one for me. You need to make sure that you install the Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna correctly in your main board. If this thing not connect correctly, even if you can access to the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, the signal is very low and you will have very slow internet speed. You need to make sure that the antenna cable from the motherboard and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card are connected correctly. Okay, after you check the antenna, you will check the software. First of all, you need to navigate to Windows icon over here and you choose Device Manager. Just have two options you need to find. The first one is Network Adapter over here and you need to find the option called Wi-Fi over here. Also, you need to navigate to the Bluetooth option. I have the Intel Wireless Bluetooth. If all the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi show in your Device Managers, that means the drivers are installed correctly. If you don't find any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it means the Wi-Fi drivers have some problems. You need to update the drivers or download new version of the drivers. The easiest way for you is find your motherboard name. For me, it's Z790 Tomahawk, and you search for Wi-Fi drivers. Navigate to the MSI homepage and find the driver option. You choose the internet drivers and you can find right here the Bluetooth drivers and the Wi-Fi drivers. If you can't find the suitable drivers, you can use this app over here. It's called Driver Booster. This app is completely free and easy to use. You just need to download this one and run a scan. This app will automatically scan and update all the drivers for you. The similar apps I will show you is 3dpchips.com. You navigate to this website, download this app, and this app can automatically download all the drivers for you, such as CPU, motherboard, video, sound, internet, and every kind of drivers. Okay, that's all my videos. If you found a better solution, please let me know in the comment. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.